Did you know that in 2026, some people manage their entire life, studies, work, and business from a single app, while others are still struggling with messy notes, missed deadlines, and unorganized tasks? The secret is not working harder. The secret is working smarter, and one of the smartest tools people are using today is Notion AI. In this complete beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to use Notion AI step by step, even if you have never used Notion before. By the end of this video, you will know how to organize your tasks, notes, goals, projects, and daily life using AI, and save hours every single week. So make sure you watch till the end, because the advanced tips can completely change the way you stay productive in 2026. Let's get started. First, let's understand what Notion AI actually is. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write notes, manage tasks, plan projects, and store information. Notion AI adds artificial intelligence on top of this system. It helps you write content, summarize notes, generate ideas, create action plans, and organize information automatically. You can think of Notion AI as a smart productivity assistant that helps you think clearly and stay organized. Once you open Notion, you will see a clean and minimal dashboard. On the left side, you have pages and folders. In the center, you create and write content. You can create pages for tasks, notes, goals, studies, or work. Everything is customizable, and you don't need any technical skills. Now let's talk about Notion AI writing features. Inside any Notion page, you can ask Notion AI to write content for you. For example, you can ask it to write meeting notes, create a blog outline, summarize a long article, rewrite text in simple words, fix grammar and tone. Instead of staring at a blank page, AI gives you a strong starting point. One of the best uses of Notion is task management. You can create a simple to-do list, or a full task board with deadlines, priorities, and status. Notion AI can turn messy notes into clear action items. For example, you can paste a meeting discussion and ask AI to create a task list from it. This is extremely useful for students, freelancers, and professionals. Students can use Notion AI as a study partner. You can organize subjects in chapters, summarize long notes, create revision sheets, plan exam schedules. Instead of wasting time switching between apps, everything stays in one place. This improves focus and learning efficiency. For freelancers and professionals, Notion AI is a productivity powerhouse. You can manage clients, track projects, write proposals, plan weekly work, generate reports. Notion AI helps you structure your work clearly and reduce mental overload. Now let's look at advanced usage. You can ask Notion AI to act like an expert. For example, create a productivity system for a content creator. You can generate goal trackers, daily routines, weekly planning systems. The more clearly you instruct AI, the better the results. You can actually make money using Notion AI. You can sell Notion templates, offer productivity setup services, help businesses organize workflows, create digital planners. In 2026, organized systems are valuable, and people pay for clarity. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Do not overcomplicate your workspace. Start simple. Use AI to assist, not replace thinking. Always review AI-generated content. Consistency matters more than perfection. Now imagine having your entire life, work, and goals organized in one intelligent system. That is the power of Notion AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Everyday AI Tools for more AI productivity guides. Comment below if you want a full Notion template or advanced automation setup. And remember, productivity is not about doing more, it is about doing what matters. Start using Notion AI today, and take control of your time.